Midges are small, annoying insects that are often found flying around our faces or taking bites out from our skin. These insects can be so small that an individual will go unnoticed until it's too late. Large populations can either be a huge nuisance or can potentially spread disease, so in this video, we'll show you how to identify and treat midges around your property so you can enjoy your patio with little worry. To shop for the products in this video and learn even more about midge control, click the icon in the top right of the screen, or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods costing you time and money. There are many different types of midges, but non-biting midges and biting midges are the more common midges you may come in contact with. Non-biting midges are mostly in the family Chironomidae, and there are over 10,000 species worldwide. Non-biting midges look similar to mosquitoes. Most non-biting midges grow to be less than 3/8 of an inch in length. They have one pair of wings, long and narrow legs, and males have feathered antennae. The larvae of these midges can be found in stagnant water, and they are often referred to as bloodworms for their red color. Biting midges, also known as no-see-ums, are mostly from the family Ceratopogonidae. There are over 4,000 species and 600 in North America. Biting midges are gray in color. They grow to be less than 1/8 of an inch in length, so they're smaller than most mosquitoes. While a female mosquito has a long, piercing proboscis to suck blood with, the female biting midge has saw-like mouthparts and mandibles that are adapted for blood sucking. Males do not bite or suck blood. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Midges don't travel far from their breeding grounds, so look around your property where standing water can occur. Check where the soil may be impacted for spots that drain poorly, and note down man-made sources of standing water, like bird baths or swimming pools. If you're dealing with non-biting midges, you can check standing bodies of water for larvae. Bloodworms are small, but they are visible, usually growing as large as 1/4 of an inch in length. If you're dealing with biting midges, you're better off looking for the adults, as their larvae are hard to see with the naked eye. While a single adult midge can be hard to spot, you'll often see them in swarms or resting on outdoor surfaces. These swarms can resemble clouds of tiny flies. Fun fact: a midge swarm is really a mating swarm. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To get rid of midges on your property, you'll need to use insecticides labeled for midge control, like Reclaim IT, Tekko Pro IGR, and Flex 1010. Keep in mind these products target adult midges. There are larvicides labeled to treat developing midges, but the amount of product you would need to output is often not recommended for the environment, nor as economical. First, apply Reclaim IT and Tekko Pro to outdoor surfaces. Reclaim IT is a liquid insecticide concentrate that's able to control over 70 pests, including midges, for up to 90 days. Tekko Pro is an insect growth regulator, or IGR, that will disrupt the midge's life cycle, reducing egg laying and preventing larvae from developing into reproducing adults. We recommend you use a rate of 1 fluid ounce of Reclaim IT and 1 fluid ounce of Tekko Pro per 1 gallon of water. This will treat 1,000 square feet of treatment area. We also recommend you use a hand pump sprayer due to its ease of use and versatility. To use a hand pump sprayer, open the sprayer, add half a gallon of water, and add your measured amount of Reclaim IT and Tekko Pro. Add the remaining half a gallon, close the sprayer, and shake to ensure an even distribution. Pump your sprayer a few times to produce a low-pressure spray. Apply the product where you've seen midges at rest. Sites of treatment include, but are not limited to, siding, foundations, garages, tree trunks, shrubbery, and many other sites. Also, focus treatment around outdoor lighting fixtures and around windows, as midges or other flying insects are attracted to these light sources at night. Be sure to apply Reclaim IT on every surface you see where midges can rest that is labeled for treatment. Use a low-pressure fan setting and spray on calm days to prevent wind drift. If you have a residential misting system or the appropriate equipment to conduct a space spray application, you can also consider Flex 1010. Flex 1010 is a broad-use emulsifiable concentrate used to control many insects, including midges, mosquitoes, fleas, and cockroaches. This product has been specially formulated for use in fogging and misting systems for effective control of flying pests. To treat for midges using a space spray application, create a spray dilution of 6.4 fluid ounces of product per gallon of water. Refer to your equipment's instruction booklet for specific mixing directions. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. To stop midges from breeding on your property, you'll need to utilize Integrated Pest Management Strategies, or IPM, and keep up with regular pesticide applications. First, try to reduce the use of outdoor lighting. Midges, like many other flying insects, are attracted to light. Avoid turning on outdoor lighting until after sundown, since most flying activity takes place during that time. Since midges require standing water to breed, the best way to prevent midges from developing on your property is to prevent standing water and ensure your lawn drains properly. If you keep man-made sources of standing water, like bird baths, drain them whenever they're not in use. If you have a pool, make sure to keep it covered so midges or other insects can't access the water. Additionally, you can rake, dethatch, and aerate your lawn to promote air circulation in your soil. Trim back tree branches to reduce shade and encourage evaporation. This will not only help you in preventing midges, but it will also prevent mosquitoes from invading the property. Finally, continue to keep up with regular pesticide treatments, since your property can quickly repopulate with midges from outside the treatment area. Be sure to apply Reclaim IT and Tekko every 90 days to ensure year-round control. If you're applying a space spray with Flex 1010, make applications as necessary when activity is noticeable. Midges can reproduce rapidly and become major pests, but there are ways to control an infestation that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop midges from infesting your home, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.